Okay.
So we just went to the vending machine, and then like, you know, we spent $1 because like the cookies were $1. So then we clicked it, and then it put 2 bags. Oh, we got 2 bags for $1. It's tight, isn't it? I know. Thank you. I was like kissing the vending machine and stuff. It was so funny.
Yeah, we love cookies.
Yes, we do. Wait, hold up. Hold up.
I like her nose. It's so cute.
So yeah.
Here's my soda. She took it from me. Oh, remember the tapping woman? Tap
The one with big boobs.
Yeah, we just saw a lady with like, she's like a 34 double D.
30, like 8.
Like a 47. My phone is vibrating. Scary.
Lube.
No, I'm texting Marquise.
Alright, well, we're gonna go. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.